Honda CR-V vehicles manufactured since 2017 include an automatic high beam system as part of the Honda Sensing Safety Suite. This advanced technology uses a forward-facing camera to automatically control your headlight beams. The system relies on a sophisticated camera mounted behind your rearview mirror. This camera continuously monitors the road ahead, detecting oncoming vehicles and automatically switching between high and low beam headlights. However, owners of 2020 through 2025 model year CRVs have reported four main categories of problems with their automatic high beam systems. Understanding these issues is the first step toward resolving them. These problems typically have four root causes. Camera obstruction is the most common issue, where dirt, ice, debris, or even aftermarket window tinting blocks the camera's view of the road ahead. Calibration issues represent the second major cause. When your windshield is replaced or the camera mounting is disturbed, the system loses its precise alignment and can no longer accurately detect vehicles and lighting conditions. Electrical problems form the third category, involving faulty wiring harnesses, corroded connectors, or malfunctioning control units. These issues can cause complete system failure or intermittent operation. Environmental factors represent the fourth major cause. Extreme weather conditions, unusual road lighting, and construction zones can confuse the camera's detection algorithms, leading to erratic system behavior. Understanding these common causes helps Honda CR-V owners identify why their automatic high beam system may not be working properly. Most issues can be traced back to these four fundamental problems. When your Honda CR-V's auto high beam system malfunctions, there are several troubleshooting steps you can try before seeking professional help. Let's walk through the most effective solutions. First, let's examine the do-it-yourself troubleshooting steps that can resolve many common auto high beam issues. Step 1 is a visual inspection of the camera lens area. The forward-facing camera is mounted behind the rearview mirror and can be obstructed by dirt, ice, debris, interior fogging, or aftermarket window tinting. Step 2 is performing a system reset. Turn the ignition to on position with the engine off, set the headlight switch to auto, then push and hold the headlight lever away from you for at least 40 seconds. Finally, release the lever and cycle the ignition off and on. Step 3 involves verifying your vehicle settings. Access the Honda Sensing menu through your infotainment system to ensure auto high beam is enabled, headlight auto leveling is functioning, and there are no system fault codes present. If these do-it-yourself steps don't resolve the issue, professional repairs may be necessary. Let's examine the main repair options and their associated costs. Camera recalibration is required after windshield replacement and uses specialized Honda diagnostic equipment. This service typically costs between $150 and $300 and resolves about 78% of reported auto high beam issues. When components fail, replacement costs vary significantly. Camera units range from $400 to $600 plus labor. ECU replacement costs $800 to $1,200 plus programming, and headlight actuators cost $200 to $400 per side. Honda regularly releases software updates that address auto high beam issues. These updates are available only through authorized dealers and may resolve intermittent operation problems. They're often included during routine service visits. Prevention is always better than repair. Regular maintenance can prevent many auto high beam failures and keep your system functioning properly. Monthly maintenance should include thoroughly cleaning the windshield camera area, testing system operation in various lighting conditions, checking for dashboard warning indicators, and verifying the auto headlight setting. Professional maintenance should include annual system inspections, mandatory recalibration after any windshield work, and software updates during regular service visits. This preventive approach can avoid 60% of common auto high beam failures. Different repair approaches have varying success rates. System resets resolve about 45% of issues. Camera recalibration fixes 78% of problems, while component replacement has a 95% success rate for resolving persistent auto high beam malfunctions. The recommended approach is to try do-it-yourself troubleshooting first. Seek professional diagnosis if issues persist, and maintain regular preventive care. This systematic approach maximizes your chances of resolving auto high beam problems while minimizing repair costs. Following these troubleshooting steps and maintenance practices will help ensure your Honda CR-V's auto high beam system operates reliably and safely for years to come.